This is the sound when you don't have oil in your car and you destroy the engine. My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, and I have a video that tells when your vehicle is older, you should check the oil in your car. When you do not check the oil in your car, you might not be leaking it on the ground, but you could be leaking it internally. Well, I just left a Cadillac and it had zero oil in it whatsoever. Put 4.5 quarts in it and it's dieseling. That means the vehicle engine is pretty much trash, and it's a Cadillac North Star. So this person's gonna be looking at between $3,000 to $6,000 to replace the engine, which is completely not worth it, not on a Cadillac with a North Star engine in it. Not a 2006. So with that being said, I hope this is a lesson learned to people that when you have your vehicle, and you should check the oil as part of your preventive maintenance almost on a weekly basis, because if you lose oil in your car and then you decide to put oil in it, you've already done the damage. And sometimes you can't go back. Sometimes you can, but you have done damage, but you just prematurely killed the engine lifespan. And sometimes, like this one was, it was completely dieseling. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.